right, hello beautiful people. So of course I combed my hair in the mode that I would like, using the center of my head, the top of the crown as the point, and combing in a, I would say, 360 direction with your hair. And then you're going to go back and you're going to brush it, so that way you are creating the mode, you're making that mode solid. Now you may want to use the Got To Be glue spray because you want a more firm look, but I wanted a more soft look, like a butterfly braid halo. So this is why you see I started off with flat ironed hair. I just blow dried and flat ironed my hair. And of course, if you look at my previous videos, you'll see that I am a natural. So this is in a straightened state. So I thought this would be pretty cool because the first time I tried, y'all, I was in a natural state and I added hair. Let's just say it looked nothing like this. I had a part in the middle. It was just all over the place, but that's okay because practice makes perfect, as you can see. And this is something I'm really proud of because this is my second time trying it and it came a long way from the first time. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is here shortly you will see me step closer so you can get a real good view at what's about to take place. So right now I am braiding with my right hand being dominant, and this is the overhand braiding. And what you're gonna see here shortly is I am going to switch to where my left hand becomes the dominant overhanded braiding hand, I guess you could say. I think y'all understand what I'm saying. And then you're just gonna continue all the way until you end up back at that ear. For me right now, it's gonna be my left ear. And just keep in mind that as I'm braiding, I'm staying close to the perimeter of the hair. So that way you can't see my hairline. I don't have to worry about slicking down no baby hairs. I really just wanted to have a soft, full butterfly braid look, and that's what I'm aiming for right here. And what you see now is I'm creating the bangs. I went ahead and pulled that hair out because you don't want to braid part of it and then be trying to yank it out after the fact. That's just not going to go over too well. So just make sure if you want any accent pieces, whether it's on the side, whether it's in the middle, whether it's in the back of your hair, that you pull that out of Braid's way. Not harm's way, but Braid's way. Because that's going to create an issue. And guess what? You're not going to have those flyaway pieces because they're going to be tangled up in that braid, and it's going to be too much to try to yank those pieces down. Well, at least that's my opinion. If you have finer hair, that may work for you. But we're dealing with some real nice textured, thick, full hair. So I ain't got time. So like I said, we're going to continue on until we meet at the left ear. And once you meet at that left ear, as you'll see here shortly, you're just going to braid it all the way down like a plait, and then I will show you how you tuck it. Y'all see my face? Yeah. Like, why? Why are you tangling? You're supposed to be straight right now. What's going on? But it happens. Even the braiding hair tangles. I'm just being funny right now, y'all. All right. So here we are. We're going to braid all the way to the end. Just do like a little plait, a little shoulder action. Okay, girl, I see you. Keep on going. Okay, and here what you will see me doing is basically fluffing the halo braid. That's what I like to call it. And you're just kind of opening the braid up so it looks fuller, so it looks thicker, so it's the focus of the hairstyle. And also you just want to make sure all three loops are, how do I say it, y'all? There's symmetry there. It shouldn't be one strand thinner than the other, one strand thicker than the other. All three strands should be about the same size. And if not, you should have been able to camouflage that by fluffing your halo braid. So these two pieces here, I just wanted to do 2 spirals. And if you pay attention to the direction for this one now, I am pulling in to my left. And so they're going to go opposite directions. That way they lay separately, because if I twirl them in the same direction, they're going to lay together, and then that's going to be an issue because I can't see. And I definitely need to see, without a doubt. And that's me just showing you all that direction. Now this side, this flyaway piece, I'm pulling in the right direction. So as you can see how it's separated, they're not falling together. And here you have the finished look. I loved it. Tell me what you think. Comments, questions, share, like, anything. I'm all for it.